Dodge Grand Caravan 2001 to 2007. To replace the clock spring, first you need to remove the steering wheel airbag. To remove the steering wheel airbag, you need to remove two mounting bolts on the right side and on the left side. Then you need to disconnect three connectors on the airbag. After that, you need to unscrew the bolt on the steering wheel. Sometimes it's very hard to remove the steering wheel, so try to shake it and remove it. Also, I forgot to say you need to disconnect the battery before you start removing the airbag. After, when you remove the steering wheel, you need to disconnect two connectors at the back of the clock spring. Then you need to remove two screws on the clock spring and replace it with a new one.